Hey guys, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we're gonna unbox the Cafelat robot. We love the robot here at Prima because in addition to being a cute companion perched on your counter, it also produces real quality shots of espresso. It is sturdy and reliable, and its fully metal body is the depiction of durability. Not to mention all of its accessories are made of steel. We also love the fact that there is a detachable spout. This gives the convenience of going between split shots and bottomless pools. And it comes with a unique tamper that fits perfectly with the 57.5mm brew basket that can hold up to 145 grams of coffee and water. Although its design may be unique, we love it because it produces espresso on par with shots you get in your favorite cafe. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about the Cafelat robot, drop them in the comments below. And if you'd like to learn more information about it, you can find it online at primacoffee.com. And thanks for watching.